What's up guys? Welcome to my video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you don't know, my name is EYESHADOW, aka Anai Artistry on my professional IG. I'm really excited that you're here because today I actually created this look. Before I get started, I actually just wanted to say that happy and rejoiced that I've gotten so much love and so much support from my friends, my family, and just people who support me on social media. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Los quiero mucho y me da tanta alegría que me estén soportando y viendo mis videos y compartiéndolos. So yeah. What else? All of the products that I use, I will be leaving down on the description below if I didn't mention them throughout the video, which I'm pretty sure I didn't, but I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Please subscribe, and yeah, without further ado, please enjoy. And I'm just gonna begin by priming my eye. Okay, and so since this is a cat eye kind of smoked out look, I'm gonna start by creating my V shape in the corner of my eye. And people have a lot of trouble with this usually because of placement, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you guys how I do it and how it's the easiest for me. So I'm gonna go in with my darkest shade of purple, and that is this dark purple right here. And I'm gonna go in with a small packing brush. I'm gonna take the color on the very tip of the brush and just start creating my V shape. And I'm gonna let the corners of my eye tell me where that's gonna go. So now that that dark purple color has been applied on there pretty boldly, I'm gonna take a small blending brush and I'm just gonna slowly, lightly in the corners, just start scratching at that color, very lightly. So next I'm gonna take a super small fluffy blending brush. It looks like this, super teeny tiny, and I'm just gonna use it to start buffing out the darker purple using this lighter shade of purple called Fizzy Grape. And with that, I'm just gonna start placing that and start blending in to that darker shade of purple. And slowly, I'm gonna start flicking out the lighter shade of purple, start flicking out in the corner to create my sharp cat eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with my darker purple, and I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush, careful not to confuse the two. I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush with the dark purple and start bringing that color back to life again. And this time I'm gonna focus on extending right to where I flicked and I moved that lighter shade. Now I'm gonna go back in with my lighter shade one more time and continue to extend kind of like that cat eye outwards. Having a light hand is preferable, guys, because there is really, really light pressure that is needed to try to extend this cat eye outward without making it look too harsh and making sure it's nice and blended. Alrighty, so now that my cat eye is nice and smoked out, I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my second color, which is blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it from the Laroc palette, and it's gonna be this medium blue shade, Shy. So I'm just gonna take that on a packing brush and apply it right in the middle. And now that I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my third color, which is gonna be green from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and it's going to be the brightest, greenest one, which is this guy. Now I'm just going to take a blending brush and start blending in that blue. And slowly you're going to try to combine the purple and the blue together with those same circular outward motions. Now going back in with that darker purple shade, I'm just going to try to start to meet the blue. And I'm going to do the same with the lighter purple. All right, and now to start blending the green. And now to blend the blue and the green together. And now to do the under eye, I'm taking a packing brush and I'm going to be using the red color from the James Charles palette. And with that same brush, I'm just going to blend it slightly. Now I'm going to be using the orange shade from the Laroc palette called Burnt. It's super bright and orange and beautiful, so... Now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm just going to take my NARS concealer and start carving out my line. Alrighty, so now I'm going to quickly meet the dark purple onto where the concealer ends. And now I'm taking the Laroc palette again, and I'm using the yellow color called Circus to fill in my cut crease. Now I'm taking the lighter purple, Fizzy Grape, and I'm just gonna pack it in and start blending where the dark purple and the yellow meet. Alrighty guys, now that my shadow is finished, psych, I forgot to do the inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pineapple juice, this yellow sparkly tone right next to Circus, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner. Now that the shadow look is finished, it's time for lashes and liner. Now it's time to quickly apply mascara. Alrighty guys, so now that the eye look is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the face. And for that, I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and dip it into my bronzer and start at the hollows of the cheeks and just start stamping in that color. For my nose contour, I'm going to pinch my brush and just start sketching out. Now that my contour is finished, I'm going to take my Benefit blush bar and I'm just going to blush my face. now I'm going to apply my highlight, and I'm going to be using the Laroc palette again, and I'm going to use this color right up here, this super glittery shade. It's called Sugarcane. So I'm just going to take it, dab it on, and alrighty guys, now it's time for things to get a little interesting. So first things first, I'm going to take my setting powder and really pack it on there and create a sort of barrier of powder between the work that I just did and the colors that are going to go on top. So I'm just going to start pressing that setting powder everywhere. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my white pencil eyeliner and I'm going to start lightly drawing where I want my drips to kind of fall. Alright, now that I have that pinpointed, I'm going to start going in with purple and then moving down the rainbow until I get to red. Now I'm going to take my blue and continue on right where the purple left off. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take a sponge, foundation sponge is what I call them, and I'm going to dip one side in the blue and the other in the purple, and I'm just going to start creating my blend. Alrighty, now onto our green color. So next I'm going to start incorporating in the yellow color. Alright, now time to go in with the orange color. Alrighty guys, now I'm going to quickly do my neck. Please enjoy this fast forward. Alrighty guys, now for some final details, and what I'm going to do is just do some contouring around the dripping to make it seem like it's falling onto the paint, and I'm just going to do a little bit of highlighting and darkening here and there. Alrighty guys, I think I'm done here. This deserves a little slow motion moment. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had a blast. I hope you guys did also. Please follow me on social media. I'll link both of my Instagrams down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Bye, guys.